Welcome to another gluten-free cooking with Dad. Today I'm going to be making flapjacks. One lemon and drizzle and one with dark chocolate. The first thing you want to do is line 2 of these baking trays. I've used parchment paper and you want to create enough overhang so when it comes to pouring in the mixture it doesn't get stuck to the side. In a bowl you want to melt 125 grams of unsalted butter with 2 tablespoons of golden syrup or maple syrup. I've used golden syrup. And then you want to add 100 grams of sugar. Now you can use caster sugar. This time I've used coconut sugar. Melt together over a slow heat. You want to keep stirring until the sugar is dissolved. This is the type of consistency we're looking for. In a bowl, we now combine 200 grams of gluten-free oats, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, the zest of half a lemon, and a pinch of salt. Now pour the melted butter mixture into the oats and give it a stir. Now pour the flapjack mixture into the prepared tin and you want to spread it out evenly. Press down gently with the back of a spoon to compact it. Now we need to bake the flapjacks for around 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees. While the flapjacks are baking, make the lemon drizzle. In a bowl, mix the powdered sugar, that's 100 grams, lemon juice, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and half the zest of 1 lemon, and then you want to mix it until it's smooth. If you find it's too thick, you can always add more lemon juice. You want it to be thick enough to drizzle, but not too runny. If you find it is too thin, you can always add a little more powdered sugar to get the right consistency. So now the flapjacks have cooled down. I'm going to add the lemon drizzle to the top. Now I'm just going to spread evenly over the flapjacks. So this needs to be cooled down for about 20 minutes before they can be sliced into squares. I mentioned I'm doing 2 batches, so one of the lemon drizzle and this one's going to be of dark chocolate. So this is the 70% cocoa chocolate, it's organic and gluten-free, and this is the second batch which just come out of the oven. So I'm going to let this cool for 10 minutes and let the chocolate melt before adding it to the top. Now I'm going to add the melted chocolate on top of the flapjacks. This particular flapjack recipe doesn't have any lemon in it, it's just chocolate, but I followed the same recipe minus the lemon zest and lemon juice. So now I have a spoon, I'm going to spread this across the mixture. What I'm going to do now is leave this to cool for 20 minutes.